Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Limitless with Naisha. If you have ever felt unloved, stuck in heartbreak, or closed off from receiving love, this video is for you. Today, we are going to open your heart chakra, the center of unconditional love, compassion, and connection. The heart chakra, also known as Anahata, is the fourth energy center in our body, located right in the center of chest. When blocked, we feel disconnected, fearful of love, or overly attached. When open, love flows effortlessly within us and all around us. Let's begin with the Beej mantra for the heart chakra, which is YAM. So we will be repeating it multiple times with the affirmations. So it seeps into aura, ourself, and every part of our energy. With me, you will also be chanting from your heart. Let's start. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Pause for a moment. Listen to the music, my voice, and feel this environment that you can sense right now. Now, put both your hands on your heart. Let's start by taking first deep inhale. Inhale. Hold. And say Yum. Giving and receiving love effortlessly. Breathe in. Hold. Yum. I forgive myself and others, and I choose peace in my heart. Let's inhale. Hold. Yum. Flows through me freely and heals all wounds within me now. Inhale. Hold. Yum. that matches my soul, my energy. Breathe in, hold, yum. Every breath I take fills me with love, compassion, and light. Smile and feel that your heart is shining bright. It's activated and radiating love outwards. Your heart is sparkling green right now, and you're also receiving the abundance of love in your heart. You can feel love all around you. You can feel so much love within you. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, imagine your heart glowing in emerald green, expanding with warmth and peace. Do this daily for 21 days and watch how your energy shifts. Remember, love isn't something outside of you. It begins from within. And once you truly feel it inside, the world starts reflecting it back. If this resonated with you, comment below with I am love. Do remember to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this with someone who needs heart healing today. Until next time, stay limitless. Don't limit your success. I'll see you guys soon with lots of love from me, Naishani here. And also open to receive all your love in the chat box.